Channel, so this was very spontaneous. I decided to grab the camera and record because of what I was doing. I wanted to be able to share with you guys. So I don't know if you guys remember this arrangement. I will insert a picture of it right now so you guys can look at that for a moment, observe how small everything was, and now if you look you can see everything. So what I just did was, look at this. This was here, but it was pushing more this way, so I decided to cut it out. And this California sunset as well grew really big, so it's there. Let's see, possibly moved, because of the way these plants were growing, it moved this cactus a little bit to the side. It should be more, straight up like this. So yeah, and this one as well. Look at how beautiful this one is. I don't know if you can pick it up, but that is like a very dark bluish green. Really like it. So yeah, this would have been more this way, and then this one would have been more that way as well, but they're leaning a little bit, just slightly. How big that one has grown, and that one. So I don't know, I'm thinking if I should I did propagate some of these, so they might have some root. I'm thinking about leaving these here, and if they shoot something out, they do. I'm not worried about it. But I can easily go ahead and push down a few of these just to reset it again, because I like the look of it. It can stay either way, this way or that way. I have to go look to see if these rooted. They should have already. So I think I'm gonna go do that, and then show you, if I do decide to place it in here, I'll show you guys what that looks like. But I just wanted to share with you guys that update. So obviously I'll include this video with a couple more of things that I'm doing here and there. But that's what I'm gonna go do. That's what I'm doing for right now. You know what? I'll also update you on the hanging baskets on the fence, just because I'm looking at them right now from here, and I'll show you guys what they look like. Would you say these hanging baskets look happy? Look at them. Look, this is the mini ghost. Normally I do have a hard time with these, but this is the only good looking little, I don't know, couple of them that I have. They're doing really well here. They like it here on the fence. I would say that they do. So yeah, here's the other one. I'm gonna clean it up. I need longer tweezers. I know I've seen some people use them on YouTube. Yeah, just longer tweezers to clean these up. These are just aerial roots that these shoot on a normal basis. But look at how cute those look. These are super happy. They're doing super well. They're enjoying the water and the sun. I don't have any rot, nothing. And I've planted these pretty late on, I think I probably did it during summertime. I don't know, late spring or summer, I can't remember. But they're enjoying this spot. So I really wish I could find more of those at the Dollar Tree for $1. It was very affordable, and I really love them. They're really, really nice. I do have one more. Guys, look at my paint. My paint is chipping, and my paint before that never chipped. The other color that was on there, and now it's chipping. That is crazy. I believe it was exterior paint. Yeah, I use exterior paint, so I don't know what's going on, but whatever. It adds character to it. It's gonna stay like that. But overall, these are doing fine over here. They're growing, they're happy, doing really, really well. So yeah, just wanted to update you on that. If I have something else tomorrow or whenever, I will update you guys. This plant right here that you see is the one that I trimmed, trimmed to attempt to propagate. It's already been, I think, a whole full week. It still doesn't have roots, but since the stem is very calloused over, I'm gonna go ahead and take the chance and see if it roots right here. And I'm gonna place it back where it was, guys, because it's doing good where it is, so that's where it's gonna stay. That's where it is. There you go. So that's where that is. So I will update you guys on other things as I go. Hey guys, so now I am in my greenhouse. I have a few things that I want to show you that I've been purchasing here and there from the Dollar Tree that I like to use for the greenhouse, or just for succulents or plants in general. Not this. This is just stuff that I have sitting in my house that needs to come outside because my daughter painted these for me. She retouched them. Look at how pretty. And I just gotta spray paint them with a clear coat. And that's why I haven't used them yet. So that's why that's there. And then this is a camper that I purchased from Michael's. I haven't shown you guys. I sent one to Melissa from the Succulent home. And yeah, I need to just drill a hole and plant it up at some point. So yeah, that's it. I'm just bringing that out to the greenhouse. And then I found these. Yes, they are plastic, but I just really like them. I think they're super cute. I love the shape. And I honestly don't have any issues with plastic pots. What's it called? Obviously, when I purchase many of my plants, they're in plastic pots. So I don't have an issue with them. So that's what I have in here. Where am I going to put this stuff? I didn't think about that. For now, you know, on the side. And then I got this is like a beige, kind of like in a gray area, grayish beige. I'm not sure. So that, and then I really enjoy these trays here that I have are really, really old. I think they've been with me for 2 to 3 years. So I like these. I like them because like that, my stuff at the bottom does not get wet. There's sometimes where I have leaves under here and I don't want them to get wet. I got these flamingo ones, super cute. Also, I needed more trays for here. Not this spot because obviously I like to put plants there that I am letting like dry or have some arrow roots. So that's what I'm doing there, but I would like to put more trays back there. Some of these need to be planted up already. They're ready to go. See, look at like those roots. Sometimes a plant like this I'll just take and probably shove into one of my planters already that's been ready there. This one I had under the canopy, but I don't know if before I placed it on the canopy it was just getting too much water. So now it's got some roots coming out right there. See, right there. So this one's ready to go as well. I believe all these. And then these were in the front. For some reason, I decided to cut them because like the whole stem itself was struggling. So I just decided to go ahead and cut them and just plant them up on their own. And let's see, these I decided to also separate. They were like really together and a lot of debris was collecting in between them and I was not able to clean it out, so that's why I did that. But yeah, here are, oh guys, progress. I'm going to show you. Look at that. I didn't talk about this, so I need to make a video because I think I did that on the live, but I didn't like go deep into it. So I'll make a separate video talking about this. I'll wait until this is further along so that I can give you, you know, a better example. But yeah, look, see? And then these. So I'm excited. They can already go outside. They'll deal with the weather. These canicolis, they're not what is it, sensitive. They can put up with whatever weather it's outside. At least that's my experience here. So yeah, so I'll do that. Oh wait guys, I got distracted. So I was talking about the trays. I'm not done showing you what I purchased from the Dollar Tree here and there. And then I found more of these. Initially I only had found the hedgehog and the fox, and now I found a turtle and a unicorn and then another fox. I decided to get the fox again because my daughter has the fox in her room with a fake succulent, so I decided to plant up the fox out here at some point. So yeah, I bought this, and also I bought this. I really like this material. This plastic here is very flexible and I just like the texture, and I said to myself that this is a very good tray for when I'm moving plants around, if I have a couple to move, or when I'm purchasing. So I'm actually going to leave one of these in my car so that when I go to Home Depot, I can remember to bring this along. Hopefully I remember. But yeah, actually I'm thinking about, I need a second one. It would be good to have a second one. But they have these right now at Dollar Tree, so check that out. I also purchased some of these at the Dollar Tree just for my propagation. You get 12 of them for $1. Let me see. I think they might be pretty flimsy, but once you put soil in them, it's fine. Sorry guys, I'm going to do this with a hand if you don't mind. I'll show you that beautiful cactus that's been flowering for me while I do this. She was over there underneath the canopy and she was doing well, but I was just too scared of all the rain, because it would still get rain and, you know, water would still fall on it. So I was just a little on the worried side. So I just said, you know what, let me not take a risk and let me just put her in the greenhouse for now. Eventually she'll go back out there. But yeah, I think in the future, once I know that it's been established, because I don't know how long this has been planted for, you know. I bought it just like this at Home Depot. And then I replanted it actually. So just to be on the safe side, I'll wait until it's, you know, that I know that it has some established roots. But under there it should be fine. See, they're pretty flimsy, but I think for propagating, it's fine. It's not a big deal. So I bought some of these because sometimes I just run out. Alcohol also 70%. I get that at the Dollar Tree. I like this basket to carry cuttings in when I'm trimming them, or when to clean rocks. So yeah, you know, obviously a little bit bigger, but the pebble ones should be fine for this. You know, like when you're doing when you're taking an arrangement apart, you're removing the rocks, so you could just go ahead and rinse the rocks very easily with this. I think that was it for that. I will show you some new plants that I purchased. I believe I showed it on the live, but I did not, you know, I really didn't go into detail. At least I don't know if everyone has seen my live. So a new one that I purchased at Home Depot was this beautiful moon cactus. It's a purple one. I don't have one. I do have one of these in the front porch that's yellow. Is doing really well there, and that's where I might keep this one, because it's just doing well there. So I just rather not take a risk right now because I don't have one of these in here. So I'm just gonna do that, put that one over there. And obviously I just, you know, I need, if I can have another plant somewhere else, I would rather, you know, and keep this area for sensitive plants, or plants that I'm just getting acclimated, or like letting them have some root establishment before I toss them out there to defend themselves. Another one that I purchased is this one. I can already see that she requires water. There is the name. Hold on. And this is one of the chunky ones, and I can see already that it's a little bit on the thinner side since I bought it, so she would need some water. That's how I kind of tell that they need water. So what was it? Was it that? It was this one, that one, oh, and this one. I think this is a type of euphorbia. No, it's an opuntia. It's a opuntia crested roller coaster. That's what it's called. So yeah, that one is here as well. So I imagine that this is probably considered an opuntia as well, because that looks like that. See? So that's it for that. I'm gonna clean and put my stuff in order, and I don't know how long this video already is, so if it's long enough, I will say goodbye and thank you so much for watching. But if it's not, I shall continue to record. Guys, have a blessed day. Bye guys.